You can see from this video that I have previously casted my Android device to my PC. But the problem with this type of mirroring is that you will have to do it using a USB connection. This means that if anything happens, it will disrupt your recording or whatever you are doing. So, but you can see on this particular video, because I couldn't mirror my devices, I had to use camera to video this. Thank God today I found a new solution. So, there is a new option for Windows 10 and Windows 11. It is known as project casting. You can find it by using the search option. You can as well use this option. I have tried to use this method, but my Windows display has refused to work. That is, each time I go to this optional feature and try to install new Windows display, you will see from here that I have a lot of failed installation. Like, check out my C optional feature history. I have a lot of installation here that all failed. You can see them. They were all failed. Okay? This has kept me waiting for so long. Then I decided to look for alternative. So in this video, I want to show you an alternative way you can mirror your Android device with your PC. Please watch till the end because there is a bonus tip I am going to show you towards the end. Please, you do not need to skip to the end. You need to get all the steps. If this is the first time you are seeing my video, I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel because in this channel, I do videos around educational technology and business tools. If you are ready, let's dive in. The very first thing I will do is to go to Google and navigate to this website. The website is known as LetsView. LetsView is free to use. You can download it and you don't need a physical USB wire to connect to your Android and your PC. It works fine with your wireless. All you need to do is to make sure that both devices are on the same network. I've already downloaded and installed it. If I go to my download folder, you will see the file here. All you need to do is to do the installation using this setup file. But I do not need to take all those processes. I suppose you already know how to do your installation. After your installation, this is what you will get. LetsView application. So you can connect a new device by just scanning this QR code. Or better still, download and install LetsView app on your mobile device. I have already downloaded it on my mobile device, so let me open it. Once I open it, it is now showing here. You can see it is showing the name of my phone here. And on my phone is showing the name of this computer. All I will do is to connect it and then tap on share my screen. Once you do that, voila, I have my phone shared on this my computer. So one beautiful thing with LetsView is that you can also do annotation. You see? You will see a brush here that you can use for annotation and all of that. The only downside with this LetsView is that you cannot use your mouse to control any of these. But then you can just use your hand, your finger to tap on your phone. And now the bonus. We have just used one option here, which is annotation. If you like, you can also change this to full screen like so, or you return it by clicking on this exit. You can as well do a rotation, like if I click here, it will rotate. If I click again, it will rotate. And if I click again, it will also rotate. Then let me bring it to normal. This is how it was. Okay? Then the trick here is something that I like using very well. What I will do is to go to my phone and enable this auto rotate option. Once I enable that, then I will rotate this particular one. It is now like this. I will then move it to full screen. Okay, so I have a file here. that I am reading, if I bring up this file and rotate my own phone, the phone I'm having on my hand, you will now see this is how the file look like. So I will have something like full screen to read my post instead of using tiny screen. And of course, if it is video that you are watching, this can be helpful too. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Let me also know in the comment section if you would like to try this. I have a video that teaches how to copy text from written documents. The video is in the description box. You will see how I did my formal mirroring using USB cord. You will find out in that video. Until next time, keep learning.